This is a traditional Filipino breakfast: 2 eggs, longanisa, and garlic fried rice. And this is my cousin Ate Marie. And this is Coach Renel, Ate Marie's kickboxing trainer, who laced me up for some killer workouts. For my month in the Philippines, I stayed in BGC. My other cousin Jojo is the CEO and founder of Talent Marketers and Amplified. The food on this trip was next level. I connected with vendors, new businesses, and old friends, and definitely found time to catch a vibe. Big shout out to Tines of Connection Club, who linked me with Isam, lounge downstairs, and upstairs a streetwear shop with Supreme, Nike, and all of the marquee brands you would want to cop. The nightlife was valid. Every night there was a part of the city to explore, and Filipinos doing great things with these venues. Big shout out to my boy DJ Scratchmark. On this random night, I ended up in the DJ booth at Silo at the Palace. Out of control. But maybe I should start from the beginning. Back in SD, time with mom and my sister and the fam. Then off to the airport, where I both love and hate LAX. Got on that direct flight with Philippine Airlines, 14 hours and 40 minutes, and I'm there. I've been here for 5 minutes, and I don't know if this will pick up, but I have sweat on my arms. It's literally running down my back. Got scooped up by Ate Marie and the driver, and we headed to Alabang, just south of the city. And therein lies the beginning of my journey and my return to the Philippines.